Okay, good morning, children. Today I will explain in this exercise 2.1 second bit. Okay, already we have completed first bit. So, which of the following expression are polynomial in one variable and which are not? So, in this polynomials are given here, types of polynomials are given here. So, in this, which here asking polynomials one variable, which polynomial have in one variable and which are not. See clearly here 3x square minus 2x plus 5. In this how many one variables are there? Here one variable or two variables? This one variable. The variable is only x. Here only one x is given. That means x1 is given. That means one variable. In that one variable. We know very well. A to Z are variables. So in this we are using only one variable. X variable using in this polynomial. So write down here clearly. So in this way, in this polynomial, we are using polynomial. We are using polynomial only one variable. It is has only one variable. Right? In this polynomial has one variable. One variable. The variable is what? X. Okay. So coming to second problem. So write down simply statement write down. In this polynomial has one variable x. Okay. How many variables are there here? Here also in this polynomial only one variable is there. One variable. The variable is what? X. Okay. In this polynomial, in this given polynomial only one variable is have. That means the variable is x. How many variables are there in this polynomial? In this polynomial, two variables are there. What these variables? P and Q. P and Q. P is the one type of variable and Q is also one type of variable. So simply write down in this polynomial has two variables. The variables are P and Q. In this polynomial has one variable, the variable x. In this polynomial has one variable, the variable x. In this polynomial, two variables are there. P is the one variable and Q is the one variable. Coming to in this polynomial, this is the polynomial. No, this is the not polynomial because see here y become y plus 2 by y. 2 by y means 2 into y power minus 1. Here the assume like 2 by y. See here 2 by y means y become 2 into y, 1 by y become y power minus 1. So it is a negative. Negative term is there. Here negative term is there. So negative term means it is not a polynomial. So we know very well polynomials what? Which variable involved have a non-negative integer power. That means negative power. Here the negative power is there. That means it is a not polynomial. Simply write down here. It is a not polynomial. It is a not polynomial. It is a not polynomial. Are you clear? Okay. Now next problem here given 5 root x plus x root 5. Here. So 5 root 2 x plus x root 5. It is also not polynomial. It is a not polynomial. Write down. It is a not polynomial. It is a not polynomial because here the root value is given. The variable root is given. So x power 1 by 2 is also not polynomial. Root x also not polynomial. X power minus 1 is also not polynomial. Remember that. Okay. Okay. So it is a not polynomial. This is here. X power 100 plus y power 100. X power 100 and y power 100. How many variables are there in this? Tell me. So it is also not a polynomial with two variables. It is not a polynomial with two variables. Write down. Okay. Observe here. This is the third bit. Third bit in the exercise 2.1 third bit. Write the coefficient. Write the coefficient of x cube. Coefficient of x cube in each of the following. Each of the following. In this third bit, eight problems are there. Okay, write down coefficient of x3, x power cube only. Coefficient of x power cube in each equation. Okay, you know very well. So this is the, see here, first problem. In this solution is nothing but, so here coefficient of x cube is equal to what? 1. Coefficient of x cube 1, coefficient of x 1. So here nothing value is there, but assume like here 1. Okay, 1 into x cube, like assume. So coefficient of x cube what? 1. So coefficient of x cube 1. Here coefficient of x cube equal to 1. Write down like this. Okay. Next problem. Here coefficient 1. In this, so 2 minus x cube plus x square. In this, what is the coefficient of x cube? Here the coefficient of x cube what? Here assume like here 1. That means minus 1. The coefficient of x cube here, second problem, minus 1. So what is the coefficient of x cube here? Root 2. Coefficient of x cube, root 2. The front value. So front value is coefficient. The coefficient of x cube, root 2. Coefficient of x cube here, minus 1. Coefficient of x cube here, 1. Assume like here 1. Okay. See here. What is the coefficient of 2x cube plus 5? Here the coefficient of x cube what? 2. Coefficient of x cube what? 2. Okay. Coming to this fifth problem. What is the coefficient of x cube here? Coefficient of x cube what? Pi by 2. Coefficient of x cube, write down. Coefficient of x cube in this equation, pi by 2. So in this, what is the coefficient of x cube? Minus 2 by 3. Minus 2 by 3. Here in this problem, what is the coefficient of x cube? Here x cube is there? No, there is no x cube. That means 0. Coefficient of x cube in this problem, 0. Here any value, any coefficient, any value, coefficient x of cube is there? No, there is no x of cube. That means here also 0. Coefficient of x cube is 0. Coefficient of x cube is here also 0. Because here there is no coefficient of x cube. That's why 0, 0. So write down like that. Okay, so asking only single term answer. So write the coefficient of x cube in each of the following. So write down like that. Coefficient of x cube in this equation 1. Coefficient of x cube in this equation minus 1. Write down like this sentence. Okay. Okay, now coming to fourth bit. Okay, in this fourth bit asking like this, so classify the following as a linear, quadratic and cubic polynomial. And in this given here the polynomial, different types of polynomials. In this section 6 problems is given. Okay, so tell me what is the this is the polynomial, which type of polynomial they are given. Okay, asking this is a linear or quadratic or cubic polynomial. You know very well which polynomial is the linear polynomial. So in this highest degree, the power of the degree is 1, it is called linear polynomial. If the highest degree is 2, the polynomial of the highest degree is 2, that is called quadratic polynomial. If the polynomial of the highest degree is 3, it is called cubic polynomial. Okay, degree, if the degree is 1, linear polynomial, degree is 2, quadratic polynomial, degree is 3, cubic polynomial. So in this asking is this which type of polynomial in this first problem? The first problem given 5x square plus x minus 7. So here the highest degree what? 2 here. The highest degree of the polynomial in this equation what? 2. That means it is which type of polynomial? Quadratic polynomial. It is called quadratic polynomial. Quadratic polynomial. Quadratic polynomial. Because at the degree 2, write down like this, degree 2. Okay, next second problem. So in this x minus x power cube here, the degree is what? Here 1, here 3. The highest degree is what? Here 3. That means so here the polynomial, which type of polynomial? Cubic polynomial. The degree is 3. That's why it is a cubic polynomial. Write down cubic polynomial. Cubic polynomial. So here the write down like a degree 3. So write down this one. Third question. X square plus x plus 4. In this polynomial, which type of polynomial? Here the highest degree is 2. That's why it is a quadratic polynomial. Quadratic polynomial. Okay, write down here degree. Okay, don't forget degree is 2. Write down here. So in this, which type of polynomial? X minus 1. X minus 1, the highest degree is 1 here. That's why it is called a linear polynomial. It is called a linear polynomial. You know very well. So already I have explained in the previous class what is meant by linear polynomial, what is meant by quadratic polynomial, what is meant by cubic polynomial. You know very well. Okay. Coming to here, 3p is given. 3p means here the assume like power. Here the p is the variable. So highest power of the variable in the p of in the polynomial what? 1. That means it is called a linear polynomial. Simply write down here linear polynomial. Linear polynomial. Coming to in the sixth problem. So here also you have given 2. Here the power is 2. That's why it is also quadratic polynomial. Which polynomial? Quadratic polynomial. Quadratic polynomial. Quadratic polynomial. Here the degree is what? 2. Here degree 2. Okay. So first one is a quadratic polynomial. Second one no 3 is there here power. That's why cubic polynomial. And third question quadratic polynomial. Fourth question linear polynomial. And fifth question linear polynomial. And sixth question quadratic polynomial. You are asking only which type of polynomial. Classify the following as a linear, quadratic or cubic polynomial. So simply write down single short, single line answer. Okay. Okay. Coming to fifth bit in exercise 2.1. Fifth bit here asking the true or false, which is the true, which is the false. Given here the 5-6 statements. Given like this statements, first one statement, second statement, third, fourth, fifth and sixth statement. So first statement observe here, a binomial can have almost at most 2 variables. Binomials can have binomial. Binomials means so in this have 2 terms. So number of terms here 2. So here the given at most 2 terms. At most 2 terms. Yes, it is true. Yes, binomial means so at least we have 2 terms. So that means so it is true. Write down here true. The first statement is true. Okay. Coming to second statement. Here the every polynomial is a binomial. Every polynomial is a binomial. It is true? No, because types of polynomials are there. Binomial, trinomial, okay, monomial. So like number of so different polynomials are there. So you are asking every polynomial is a binomial. So it is a false. It is a false. Next coming to third one. So binomial may have degree 3. Binomial may have degree 3. It is true or false? It is true because sorry. It is a the binomial, right? If the binomial may have degree 3. Yes, true. Right. It is a true. Binomial may have degree 3. Yes, true. Because here binomial, only asking here binomial. It may be degree 3 because 2x cube plus 4. It is correct because here it is a number of terms here 2 is there. This is the one term. This is the one term. So it is a binomial. It may have. So binomial may have degree 3. Yes. So it is a true. Okay. Next. So coming to fourth one, degree of the zero polynomial is 0. No, it is not defined because degree of the zero polynomial is 0. No, it is not defined, undefined. It is a undefined. Okay, this is a false. Next one, the degree of the x square plus 2xy plus y square is 2. Yes, here the highest power is what? Here 2, here also 2. The highest power is 2. That means here the degree is 2. So the degree of the x square plus 2xy plus y square is 2. Yes, true. It is true. Next, the pi r square is a monomial. Yes, because here the number of terms, how many number of terms here there? So one number of term is there. Term, I am asking term. Term means here the number of terms is what? 1. So it is a monomial. So it is a monomial. That means it is a true. Okay. So first one is what? True. Second one false. Okay. Third one true, and fourth one false, and fifth one true, and sixth one also true. Okay. Just write down simply the statement and here in the bracket true. Statement and false. Statement write down and then to bracket write down in the true. Okay. So write down statements and false, true or false. Write down like this. So it is the fifth bit in the exercise 2.1. So now I am explain last two. That means so sixth bit. Sixth bit given like this. Okay, and see here the look at the board. In this exercise 2.1 sixth problem. So last problem in this exercise, given question like this. So give one example. Here asking one example. Give one example each of the monomial and trinomial of degree 10. Okay. For example, first write down monomial. We have to write monomial and the degree is 10. Write any example. For example, write down like monomial, monomial, okay, monomial of degree 10 is write down any, for example, any 2x power 10. Write down this is the monomial and the degree is 10. Write down 2x power 10 or x power 10 or 3x power 10, 4x power 10, whatever may be. Okay, but here the monomial and the degree is 10. Write down any example. So monomial of degree is 10 is 2 power x power 10. Okay. Next, trinomial. A trinomial of degree 10 is trinomial. They are asking trinomial. That means minus whatever may be. Minus x power 10 plus 5x plus 4 is the trinomial. 1, 2, 3. Number of terms here 3. And degree is, highest degree is what? 10. So write down any two examples for monomial and trinomial of degree 10 like this. Okay. So next 2.2 exercise I will explain in a next class. Okay. Bye.